So let me show you a better way to generate images using this incredible tool, Prome AI. It's an amazing AI tool that I've really enjoyed using over the last couple of days. It's developed by the creators of Cutout.pro, a well-known platform for image editing tools. Prome AI offers a new approach to AI image generation. The best part? You can start today for free. With an easy-to-use interface, Prome AI is exceptional at sketch rendering, turning even the most basic sketches into professional-looking art and visuals that look like they could be straight out of a film or anime. Unlike some AI tools, Prome AI pays close attention to your image prompts and image references, resulting in incredibly accurate outputs. Let me show you how. Click on the link in the description to get to their website. Here you can click on Try Now, but I'm going to sign in with my Google account so all my generations will get saved. After that, you will see a variety of tools. We will go through them, starting with sketch rendering, which I found to be an amazing way to bring your sketches to life. To do this, click on Upload and choose your image. I will choose a sketch of the Eiffel Tower. Below, you can select your model or the style you want for the generation. You can leave it on Common with no specification, or you can specify what kind of outcome you want. For example, like photography, film, or charcoal drawing. There are many to choose from. After that, you can also specify your mode, for example, precise concept or just the outline. A good practice is to write a text prompt of what you want the outcome to be to guide the tool for better generation. Here I will just write the Eiffel Tower. Then hit enter. And after 20 seconds, here are the results. As you begin to play around with different sketches and styles, you'll start creating fantastic images. Think about transforming your child's sweet hand drawings into delightful works of art. Imagine these masterpieces proudly displayed on a pillow cover, making bedtime stories all the more magical. That's one of the many ways Prome AI can enhance your everyday creativity. It also has an erase and replace feature, similar to an inpainting tool. Just upload your image and you will see that you have the eraser tool selected. Simply start erasing the parts you want the tool to regenerate and write your prompt below for your desired outcome. I will write birthday cake and hit enter. And here are the results. Another cool tool is the AI supermodel, which I found really nice. Imagine you want to sell some clothes on Facebook Marketplace, but you don't want to show your face. No problem, this tool will take care of that for you. Upload your image. I'm going to choose a random free image from Pexels. Imagine we want to sell this jacket. Simply click on the jacket for the AI to select it. Then choose your model, their size, and even the background. Then hit enter. You will get 3 generations of a model wearing your jacket so perfectly, it's hard to believe it's not real. We also have the Image to Sketch tool. It's fantastic for people who want to learn sketching. They can use this tool to convert a photograph into a base sketch and then try to replicate it. It's a practical way to understand the basics of sketching, like drawing lines and shading. Prome AI also has the background diffusion tool, which is really helpful when you want to make the main part of your picture stand out. It removes any busy stuff from the background and replaces it with a new one that you like. This is great for any photo, but it's especially useful for product pictures. By removing distractions and focusing on the product, it can make your product look amazing, which is great if you're selling something online. There are many other cool tools and features this platform offers, so I really advise you to check them out as they will help you immensely in your everyday life, especially if you are an artist, designer, architect, or even just an entrepreneur with a Shopify store. Prome AI also has a subscription plan for high-resolution image downloads and an HD repaint feature that adds more texture and detail to your images. But even the free tier offers a lot. Big thanks to Prome AI and Cutout.pro for sponsoring this video. Here's something exciting. The top 10 commenters on this video will receive free credits on the Cutout.pro website. It's a great opportunity to try out their amazing tools. Also, don't forget to give Prome AI a go. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.